Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the controller charged and your phone ready. First, charge the controller above 20% so pairing won't drop. Then enable Bluetooth on your mobile and keep the Bluetooth page open so devices appear. If you have a Pro controller, press and hold the sync button on top until the lights flash. If you have Joy-Con, press the small round sync button between the SL and SR buttons. Once done, watch for the controller to show up in the phone's device list. After the controller appears, tap its name in your Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompt. Most phones won't ask for a PIN. You're pairing the controller as a standard Bluetooth gamepad, so make sure the phone registers button presses. Open a controller tester or a compatible game. If input seems swapped or some buttons don't match, install a mapping app or use in-game settings to remap. Also, make sure the controller's firmware is updated via the switch. Complete the process by confirming stable input and low latency. Play a short session to verify responsiveness. If you experience lag or disconnections, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot your phone, then remove and re-pair the controller. Make sure the controller firmware is current by syncing it with a Nintendo Switch periodically, because firmware can affect mobile compatibility. If mapping remains awkward, use a trusted third-party mapping app to customize buttons and calibrate gyro. This often resolves layout and sensitivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.